Look at that. That big old tall umbrella palm, which I thought was a papyrus, has been cut down, and now I can see so much more of the water of the pond. All of these lilies that are constantly blooming that I'm missing out on. Ooh, and even the airplane above me can probably see the water now. And then we have the cleaning of the pond yet to do. I did scoop out a whole bunch of leaves this morning, and we got the waterfall all cleared out of any leftover string algae. But it is starting to become spring, so now is the time to clean out the pond, thin out all these fabulous little plants, and make it a wonderful escapade and escape for all of the critters in the area. So I know we have some owls and some hawks and some dove and some ducks. We might even get ducks again this year. We've had the same family of ducks come by twice in the last 2 years, so I'm excited about that. We've got the waterfall working again. Some of the fish are actually out today. It's a little warmer than normal, almost in the 70s. So the fish think it might be spring, but they're not quite confused yet, or quite done being confused. And a little bit of a feeding ring. I use the hula hoop so that the food doesn't float down the filter. We've got all of this space now that we can see, normally in the shade, but the water lilies like to bloom first thing in the morning. It looks like they've already closed up for today. We have one still peeking up above the ground, or above the water, I guess. But it is closing up for the afternoon. Now that it's in the shade, it's about ready to leave. So goodbye, little fabulous water lilies. Goodbye, fishies, for today. And have a beautiful day from the waterfall. Hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe as you choose. Can't wait to hear from you again. Thank you.